All right, good morning, ECSers. Now that we have taken data, we've created pivot tables to kind of extract information, we've visualized the data using charts and graphs, and we've analyzed the data to see what it was telling us. So I'm going to have you guys apply that new skill to the room data that you guys collected before we started the online learning. So just to show you what it looks like, right? It was the time, the subject, and the mood, how you were feeling. So the assignment is to open up the combined data. So do the one that combined not only your row, but all three rows. You should have a couple hundred entries that you're looking through. Then I want you to create at least 3 charts that visualize or display the data. So try different charts, not only the ones that I showed you how to use, but there's a whole bunch of different charts. See what you can figure out on your own as well. That's the best way to learn, you guys, is figuring things out on your own. You just remember things better that way. So try some of the different charts, see what jumps out at you. When you find 3 charts you think that give you some good information, I want you to copy those charts into a new Google Doc, and then I want you to analyze each one of the charts and describe what information you can pull out of that chart. When you're all finished, you're going to upload it through your Canvas account. This one's going to take a little bit longer just because I'm not walking you through it step by step. You may have to go back and look at some videos to kind of remember exactly how to put it all together. Therefore, I am going to make this a 2-day assignment. So this is for today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday. So do your best. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email. But this is for Thursday and Friday. So have a great weekend, ladies and gents. I know it's only Thursday, but I will not be leaving you guys a new assignment or a message tomorrow. So hope you're doing well. It's a beautiful sunny day. I don't know where we can go, but try to get out and get a little sunshine. Hope you guys are all doing well. All right. Good luck, ladies and gents.